In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage who can access your Trello board. Managing access effectively ensures that your team collaborates efficiently while keeping sensitive information secure. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we'll begin by changing the visibility of your board to suit your specific needs. To do this, find the person icon located next to the Share button at the upper right corner of your Trello board interface. This is your gateway to customizing who can view or edit your board. Clicking on it will present you with three distinct visibility options. The first option is Private. When you select Private, only board member admins and Trello workspace admins can see and edit the board. This is the ideal option if your board contains sensitive information that shouldn't be exposed beyond a select group of people. Next, we have the Workspace or Organization option. This setting allows all members within your Trello workspace or organization to see and edit the board. It's a great choice for collaborative environments where transparency across the team is important. Finally, the Public setting allows anyone with the board's link to view it, but only board members have editing rights. This option is perfect when you want to share updates broadly, but still want to maintain control over who can make modifications. Now that you've set your board's visibility, let's move on to adding members. To do this, you need to click on the Share button, conveniently located in the top right of your board screen as well. When you do, you'll be prompted to select a role for your new team member. By clicking on the drop-down menu next to the text field, you can choose whether they will act as a member or an observer. Members have editing capabilities, perfect for team contributors, while observers have view-only access, ideal for those who need to review information without making changes. After selecting the appropriate role, you'll want to type the name or email address of the person you wish to invite into the provided text field. This allows you to directly reach out to them with an invitation. Alternatively, you could opt for creating a shareable link for the board. This can be incredibly handy, as you can simply send this link to new members to invite them. Once these individuals accept your invitation, they will appear in the Join Request section within Trello. From here, you have the power to approve their request, adding them officially as members of your board. Depending on the visibility settings you've chosen, your new board members will then be able to either see or edit the board as allowed. And there you have it, folks. With these straightforward steps, you'll have a seamless experience managing who has access to your Trello board. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!